What's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video I am going to tell about how to download HP Wi-Fi drivers. So let's get started. So in order to download HP Wi-Fi drivers, you have to visit Google Chrome browser. I am in Google Chrome browser, and here you have to type HP drivers and hit enter. So now you can see HP software and driver downloads for laptops and desktops is come. You have to click on this first option. Click on this. So you will see a page like this, and here you have to select your product. So I am showing for laptop, and if you have desktop, so you will click on this desktop button. So click on laptop, and now it will ask me a serial number for my product. So if you know your serial number, then you can write here, and the serial number is written on the back side of your laptop or on your invoice. So if you are unable to find your serial number or product number, then simply visit Flipkart or Amazon and find your laptop, or so find your laptop or PC from here, and you can easily find your product number. So for example, this is a HP product, and product number is HP 14Q Core i3 7th generation. So I am here writing my laptop HP Pavilion 15 and 003 TX. So I have written my product number, and you have to click simply submit and wait for some time. It is fetching some details. So you can see my product has come. This is the HP Pavilion 15 N003 TX notebook PC. So you will see it automatically detect my operating system, that is Windows 10. And if you have different Windows or it has not detected automatically, then simply click on this change button, and here you can see the option Windows, and from Windows 10 you can easily select Windows 8, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So I am keeping it Windows 10. So I will cancel this out, and now you have to visit the driver network. So click on this driver network, and here you will see some drivers. This one is Bluetooth driver, but we have to download the Wi-Fi driver of HP laptop. So you can see Intel wireless LAN driver Windows 10. This is also a wireless driver, and the second one is Realtek local area network LAN driver, and you can see the Realtek LTE wireless LAN driver. So you have to find and which adapter you have. For example, I will show you. If you go to run command, for the run command simply press Windows plus R key, and here you have to type ms info 32 and hit enter. So when you click on this ms info 32, it will show the configuration of your laptop, and simply you have to click on this components and then network. Click on this plus icon network and then adapter. So it showing me detail. So you can see, so if I do go down here, you can simply see the name of the adapter, that is MediaTek MT7630E 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi adapter. So this is my adapter, and if your system configuration does not show it, that means your laptop does not have the Wi-Fi adapter. So I will close this, and I am going to download this MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter. So you can see there are some more options here. For Wi-Fi, you can see this is Intel wireless LAN driver, and this one is the dedicated, that means Realtek MediaTek Wi-Fi driver. So we have to download this driver. So simply what you have to do, you have to click on this download option. So click on this download option. It will show me a download page. So ask me where I want to save that file. Simply I will save into my desktop. So click save. So now you can see the 32.4 MB file is now downloading. So wait for some time. When it's complete, I will come back. So friends, you can see I have downloaded that file. This is a sp72517.exe and I have saved that file into my desktop. So I will minimize this Google Chrome browser and you can see this is a file which I am going to install onto my laptop. So what you have to do, you have to right click and choose run as administrator. So wait for some time. So it will ask me admin permission. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. My screen recorder does not show you, it shows a black screen, so apologize for that. So you can see the Realtek wireless LAN driver installation wizard has come. So simply you have to click on this next button and you have to accept the terms and conditions of this Realtek Wi-Fi adapter. So click on next. So simply it will ask me a folder where you want to save that folder. I will select automatically, but it detected. So click on next. So now it's saying me that the following file is already on your computer. So friends, as you can see, if I go here and if I back from here, so you can see the if I again go to the driver and network option, and if I go to the Realtek LAN driver, so it will show you the update that is August 18 2015. That means this update is for 18 August 2015 and now it is 2019. So my laptop is old and that's why it's not giving any support to this laptop. So if you are getting any kind of issues with your laptop, then I will recommend you should watch this video of Wi-Fi not showing. I will give you link in description. This video is basically about all your fixes of Wi-Fi. That means if your Wi-Fi icon is not coming, then this video is must for you. If you have difficulty in connecting your Wi-Fi network, then you should apply this step that has been shown in this video. So now again we can see it is 2015 and now it is 2019 and this file is already for mine. So I am showing the entire process of how to install this wizard. So if you have updated driver, then it will not show you. So I will click yes to all. So now it is installing. So you can see it is asking please wait for installing. So you can see this page has come. So wait for some time. So the screen goes up. So friend, you can see we have successfully installed the driver, and for checking you can again go to the run command and again msinfo32 and click yes, and again go to the component option, then network, then adapter, and you can see this is a MediaTek MTT Wi-Fi adapter. So it has been installed. You can see installed yes, and it is a very small driver, small MB of driver, and does not need any kind of long installation process. So if you also want to check your driver, simply right click and go to device manager on Windows 10. So this is the device manager option, and you have to go to the network adapters. So click on this arrow on the network adapters and you can see this is your MediaTek MTT Wi-Fi adapter. If you don't want to go this entire process, you can also update by right clicking and click update driver. Basically this process is not recommend you, but this is also one of the way you can automatically, but this will not work many times. So you can see it is searching for driver. So you can see the best driver for your device are already installed. So this is a whole process of downloading the Wi-Fi drivers for your laptop or desktop. So in this way you can easily download. Also friend, one thing I want to show you in this page as well. If you again go to the change option, and this is a Windows 10 option which I have selected, and it will show me an update of 2015. But friends, I also want to show you that if you are getting a lot of error messages and tried everything, then what you can do, the final step is, for example, that when I have purchased my laptop with Windows 8 installed, so later on I have updated to Windows 10. So if you are getting any kind of error, you should simply restore the laptop Wi-Fi drivers. So simply you have to click on this Windows 10, and I have purchased, and my laptop comes with factory bundle Windows 8. So I will click Windows 8 and click on this change. So now it is detecting for Windows 8 driver, and simply you have to go to the driver network option, click on this, and you can go down here and you can see the Qualcomm. Don't install this. I have already told you that you have to check from Windows run command MST info 32 that which adapter you have. I have LAN adapter, that is a MediaTek. And now you can notice one thing, that this update is for 2014. So this is a factory installed wireless LAN adapter driver for my laptop. So if you are getting any kind of issues and error messages, then you should download this file and install this, and make sure after downloading and installing, you should restart your system must. So friend, this is a whole process of downloading the HP Wi-Fi drivers, and for any kind of issues, apply this step, and also make sure you should check this video if your Wi-Fi icon is not coming. So I will give you this video in description. So friends, I hope this video is useful, and if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. I am the Technical Hub. So thank you, and Jai Hind, and take care.